Techno update. Subscribe now.
Samsung Galaxy A8 review, hands-on with Samsung's latest mid-range smartphone. Specifications. The Samsung Galaxy A8 is equipped with a 5.6-in, 1080 by 2220 Super AMOLED display, 4GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, expandable up to 256GB via microSD. Powering the handset is a 2.4 GHz octa-core Exynos 7885 processor. The phone also houses a 3,000 mAh battery. I wasn't able to put it through its paces with benchmarks, but on first impression the phone felt snappy and responsive and was able to handle light multitasking without slowing down. As for software, the Samsung Galaxy A8 runs on Android 7.1.1 with Samsung's TouchWiz overlay on top. That's right, this 2018 smartphone doesn't have Android 8 Oreo, a rather particular decision given most budget and mid-range smartphones now come with Google's latest operating system. Camera-wise, the A8 has a 16-megapixel f/1.7 unit at the rear complete with phase detect autofocus, alongside dual f/1.9 cameras on the front, a bit like the new Sony Xperia XA2 and XA2 Ultra. The main front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel snapper sits while the secondary one runs at 8 megapixels. The secondary camera is used for depth detection, which allows you to live preview a selfie with the portrait bokeh effect. As for video recordings, both front and rear cameras can record up to 1080p at 30 fps with, surprisingly, no support for 4K. Design. In a first for the A-series range, or anything outside of Samsung's flagships for that matter, 2018's Galaxy A8 has a 5.6-in edge-to-edge display with an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. The bezels aren't quite as slim as they are on the Samsung Galaxy range, though, with a distinct black border still running around the edges of the screen. In fact, the front of the phone is more reminiscent of the Google Pixel 2 XL than Samsung's more glitzy brethren. It's more familiar from the rear, though, where you'll see the now familiar square camera housing. What's different, though, is that the fingerprint reader is now sensibly located just below the camera instead of to the right as it is on the Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and Note 8. Elsewhere, you'll find the volume rocker on the left edge, and the power button on the right, while the USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack sit at the bottom.